Hello and welcome to my back room. Really, it is also a bit of a museum. Let's be fair. I wanted to show you two robots I've built. We have on the left there we have Tibbles the Destroyer. He's the second robot cat I've made, and we also have Hugi the robotic raven. I've made them because I use them in shows and wherever else I get the excuse. They're interactive, so they react to me and they'll also react to the audience as well. And on these I've done a refinement I really like, where they're actually sound activated as well, so that they pick up noises that are around them, whether that be me shouting at them or indeed each other. So I've deliberately done this so they should do random things when I turn them on. Oh, good. Don't know why she does that bit. What's going on? Oh, he's still happy. That's good. So this is two robots having a conversation. The fact that we can't understand it, the fact that they probably don't understand it, has got nothing to do with anything. It is technology in action today. Are you arguing with me? Oh. What? You're a cat. You at least are sounding like a bird now, which is good. Oh, good idea. Just have a little wash. Yes. That's very rude. Hugi, last words to you?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, you are taking the mickey, aren't you? Mimicking the kitty cat. Right, thank you very much for watching.